Hello, Tim's RV Tips here to talk to you about a Tesla Model 3 battery installation and a Sprinter van build, and how it's attached, how you get structural integrity of this system, considering the battery weighs 250 pounds. Here's a photo of the battery module, 250 pound, 1/4 of a Tesla Model 3 battery pack resting in its final location above the couch. Now, Steve Jobs said, "What is the purpose of the sofa?" And in Steve Jobs' original house, he had no furniture at all. Back in his 20s, he saw no purpose in a sofa. And so my purpose of a sofa is, well, to hide power electronics, of course. What else would you use the space under a couch for? So here's a fly-in of the battery with its attachment points right now. These are heavy-duty attachments designed to capture this battery in the case of an accident, even upside down. That's the goal anyway. There's 5 attachment points right now. 2 are heavy duty in that, as you can see there, one has a 3/4 inch bolt that goes, stainless steel bolt that goes down through the floor, and that is attached to the underfloor, and with 2 stainless steel plates for a total of 1/4 inch. Here's the van, build in progress, and please subscribe.